Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you find those apps to add apps to ClickUp. So once you're inside the ClickUp dashboard, guys, just simple go ahead and click on the more on the left hand side. And once you click on more, you will find options there that says apps, right? So you can click on apps from here. And this is one way how to actually reach the app. So if you click on that, it's going to open up apps, right? So this is the first way you can access apps, and you can just start clicking on apps. As you can see, it shows all apps. It shows two features and all those different categories. You can see these different categories of apps and so forth. So you can go through here and you can find apps. Now, alternatively, you can access your apps by going to the profile on the upper right hand side, and here you will find the option that says settings. So you click in settings, then from the left hand side as well, you will find the option to add apps. So here it shows App Center. So you click on the App Center, it's going to open up the apps again. And from here, you can start looking through apps that you want, different categories. All you can, if you select all, you can use, for example, a search on the upper right, search for an app. So let's say I want to search for Dropbox, I do that and it will find it for me, right? So that's how I can easily do it. So this is basically it. So if you find an app, you will see the option here to connect. And so once you connect, that's how you will be adding that app to your specific ClickUp account. And that's pretty much it, guys.